Hey guys, I'm Lenny.
And I'm Hunter.
And welcome to another episode of How to Adult. Today we will be seasoning this new Jaffle line that we've got here. So how to do that? We've got olive oil. So Hunter here is going to do a light spread of that over the new cast iron. That's enough on that one, a little bit on there. Fantastic. And then we just want to rub that in so it's got a nice light coat. Fantastic. Rub it all around the edges. Perfect. And this will also work for your cast iron pans, anything cast iron related. So it's always a good tip to have. Fantastic. We'll get a little bit more of that out of there so it's not pooling. So you don't want any pooling or else that will just turn very buttery. Fantastic, good stuff, mate. Now that one's ready to go in the fire. All right, so Hunter's done a fantastic job at seasoning our new Jaffle line. Now we have to place that on the fire for about 10 minutes each side to make sure we get that nice, clean coating. All right, so we want to chuck that in there nice and flat, and we'll come back and we'll flip that in 10 minutes. All right, so Hunter and I have seasoned the remaining Jaffle lines. We've got 4 in total. We've let them sit on one side for about 15 minutes. And now we're giving them a flip. We'll leave those for another 15 and then we're off to make some dinner. There's no point seasoning our Jaffle lines if we aren't going to use them. So what are you going to make us today, mate?
So today I'm going to make us a ham and cheese Jaffle.
Well, show us how it's done.
Go. So first, 2 slices of bread in each one. Then pieces of cheese.
Perfect.
Then some meat on the other side.
Nice, nice.
Then what you do?
Well, you're just going to slap it together. Buzz.
Boom. You want to boom. And then
Like
close.
in, we'll chuck that on the fire.
And then we chuck that on the fire. Later.
All right, guys, so you've seen us season our Jaffle lines, you've seen us put them on the fire, you've seen Hunter here make it, and now we've got it off the fire. So this is the finished product here, and look how good that non-stick is, straight off. Get that into you, mate.
Look at that.
Ew. How's that? Delicious? And that's another episode of How to Adult. We'll see you next time.